Hey YouTube, here we are with the HAMMERJAW. It's my wife's birthday today, so it's her birthday truck. Go ahead and open it up.
Ready? Go ahead, help Mama. Tear it. Tear it. Good job. Oh. Good job.
That came off.
Oh no.
Come here.
Okay.
Come here.
Think. Look.
There you go.
Ready?
Yep.
This is the first time we've looked at this truck.
Whoa!
We're pretty excited. Wow!
Oh my gosh.
It is actually pretty good size, guys.
Whoa! Whoa!
Whoa.
Whoa!
Oh, very sorry about that.
Whoa!
Oh my
Wow.
God. Whoa, look at that, buddy.
Whoa!
That is a good looking truck.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Look.
Should I go and get your TRX to compare it just for the size?
Yeah.
Look.
Look, yeah. Oh, awesome. Oh, look, leave it over here on the table. Daddy's going to put Mama's truck up.
Look. Boom. Boom.
Yeah, what does the truck make?
Boom.
Truck make fun?
Yeah.
Look, Daddy's going to move Mom's other truck. Should we just do it? Dad's going to move Mama's other truck. Move it up. Oh, there we go.
Oh,
Yeah.
there we go.
Wow.
It's a little bit longer than the TRX. The actual wheelbase is a little bit longer than the TRX.
Whoa. Cool.
There we go.
Oh, wow.
That is a pretty awesome looking truck though.
Yeah.
The axles,
Cool.
this differential looks pretty skell.
Cool.
It has a lot of detail to it.
Yeah. Cool. Cool. Oh.
Yeah.
You like it?
I love it.
Yeah.
And Luke loves it too. Yeah. You like it?
Yeah, Mom.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The suspension feels a little stiff right out of the box. A
Yeah.
little stiffer in the back for whatever reason.
How do you feel?
A little scale motor here.
Oh, yeah. See.
Yeah. Okay.
That's a good looking truck. I'm gonna go get the Bomber to compare it to the Bomber.
Do I
Yeah.
take the tiara?
Yeah. Bubble. Yeah.
Look at this one.
Okay.
Isn't this one cool?
Yeah.
Look at that one.
Look.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
No. No. Mom.
That's Daddy's. Yeah, that's the Bomber. Can you say Bomber?
Yeah. Cool.
And here's the Bomber.
Oh, here. We can
Just leave it.
just say maybe move it over a little bit.
Whoa.
Whoa.
So it looks like the Bomber is actually a little bit longer. They have really close to the same wheelbase. The Bomber has IROCs on it that are quite a bit bigger than the stock tires.
Cool.
When I run these two trucks together, I'll go ahead and put the
Whoa.
stock tires back on the Bomber just to make it more fair.
Cool.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
And then the wheelbase seems to be pretty close to the same width on these two trucks. The Bomber body is quite a bit wider,
Whoa.
which is only going to make it so you get hung up in the rocks more. It's a really good looking truck. It's
Yeah.
my first impressions are a lot better than
No.
I thought it would be. For some reason I thought it would be a smaller truck.
Yeah.
All the pictures kind of showed that it might be a
Yeah.
smaller truck,
No.
in my opinion.
Whoa. Mom.
Well, thank you for watching, YouTube, and have a wonderful day.
Say bye, Luke.
Bye.